Assalamu alaikum everyone. These surroundings are conditions in which people, animal or plant lives or cooperates is called an environment. Environment is an essential part of our life because we born here, grow up here, live here and die also here. So, the effects and importance of environment are too many to describe in our whole life. But when this essential part is polluted day by day, then the list of hours are going to be finished. That means our environment is polluting day by day. And most important fact of thinking is that this environment is polluting day by day only for the human's activity. So, we have to create awareness to protect the environment. For that reason, United Nations declared 5th June as a World Environment Day. Yes, guys, today is 5th June, World Environment Day, which encourages action and awareness for the protection of the environment. The first establishment of World Environment Day in 1972 by the United Nations on the Stockholm Conference of the Human Environment. After that, in 1973, the first World Environment Day was held on the theme of When Live on Earth. Like that, the theme of World Environment Day 2024 is Land Restoration, Desertification and Drought Resiliency. It has been a platform on a global environmental issues such as marine pollution, overpopulation, global warming, sustainable development, and wildlife crime. It has been a platform of globality and outreach of 144 countries. So, we have to follow the rules of United Nations to protect the environment and observe the day with the great aspiration. Thank you very much.